Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the LENOVO ThinkVision X1A monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily change the language of the settings menu. At first we have to open the settings menu using this button here, and now we have to scroll to the right to options here. We have to enter it, and now we have to go back to the right to the language, open language, and here as you can see we have the French, Italian, some Korean, Spanish, I got it, Chinese, German, and Russian, and English. We can just click this button, which is OK button, and change the language. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.